grocery stores, I'm in one of our grocery stores, Lowe's Food, okay? And y'all know I'm on my healthy thing again, so I wanted to show y'all some of the stuff that the stores offer in the produce section that is really healthy. You know, today I worked in the garden so much that I didn't cook anything, so we are picking up things, but that don't mean I have to pick up fast food and stuff. That don't mean I have to pick up just crazy unhealthy stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all what they got, what type of store. I'm only doing the produce and deli area, so I can show you for quick meals you can still eat healthy. So come on, y'all. Look at this, y'all. So this is one of the things that I really like, is you can pick, but I got my stuff, you know, right outside in the garden, so I don't need to do that. But for the people that don't, look at this. So they have mint, rosemary, and I know that's basic, okay? So this will be sage, mint, rosemary, and it looks like that thing for bacon is gone. So yeah, look. Like every food, but they are fresh herbs, and there go the prices on them. And then over here, it's like you have at your local grocery store, but it's, you know, all different types, more varieties than at our food line. And right here is Bahama Bombs. Taste tropics. Taste the tropics. Here we got all these types right here. You know what? What the heck? Oh, that's a big juicy one. Oh wait, they hot. We're gonna do one and we're gonna try it because we may not like it. So they are dragon fruit, because I have bought them before and they're gonna give us time. Bought some cherries, some fruit, I know, some Piggly Wiggly, but they got their blueberries 2 for $5. Alright, y'all, real quick, let me go over here and try to catch this area and see what I want. So, let's see. Huh? Is that crab salad? Yep, that's crab salad. How much is that? I don't know, but they got some over there, honey. So you gotta be careful with that. Alright, y'all. So sometimes when I'm on the go, I would grab something like this. Their tuna salad sandwich or their chicken salad sandwich. They didn't. I wanted the rotisserie chicken chicken salad from the Deli, but they out of it. So they got this already ready-made stuff, and it just don't taste the same as the one over there. This right here, though, I think it's made in-house. I'm not sure. So now I gotta figure out something because I'm not going home making anything. And the kids is getting this crab salad each. They want the crab salad. So, looking at the broccoli salad, it looks like somebody just tossed that up there. It's supposed to be right here. Oh, I'll tell you what. Oh, no. I will wait on that. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to get. I don't want no sandwich. Let's go look at something else. Like I told you, they got that. I just want to grab something. Oh, this used to be my favorite, y'all. This 7-barrel bean dip. Oh my goodness, I used to love that, but it don't love me. So that is all right. Let me just look over here and see what else They normally will have like hot food or whatnot. I don't want nothing crazy, nothing too seasoned, nothing like that. So, see. Okay, y'all. So I got this right here, buffalo chicken dip. But it's chicken. I'm gonna eat that as a meat with my macaroni salad. So what they got right here? It's not hot. I gotta heat it up when I get home, but that will be fine. That look like potatoes or something. I don't know. Let's see. This is collard greens. That's what that is. Oh, okay. If they say so. All right. All right. Let's see what else can I see. Oh, can't do no cheeses. Always look over here when I come to see what they got. They got pitted olives, Jubilee, regular olives. Oh, what is this? Garlic marinade mushrooms. Okay, marinade mushrooms. This be so good. This is lemon feta. Wait a minute, lemon ain't spelled right. So okay, it's lemon. I don't need none lemon, but that do look good, man. But I don't need the citrus. Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep. So that was Lowe's food. So, just wanted to grab something because I am tired from being out in the garden today. Got a lot of stuff cleaned up and all that good stuff. So I was like, look. I gotta grab some, and it's late. It's not something I try not to eat heavy stuff this late, but I'm gonna have to eat it, and I'll just be up, and just take some indigestion medicine, and she'll be fine. So yeah, so it's like 9 something. When I say we was out in the garden, it's almost 8. So we stayed in the store for a little bit. Well, yeah, it was 8 something when we left the house. So it's like 9:12 right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go home and relax.